beautiful view and a beautiful river. Here you see the Faber Lake. It's actually pretty huge. So it's like getting smaller there, then behind it's getting big. Pokhara houses look really nice. And today's trip, we want to visit this stupa over there on the top of the hill. And yeah, a stupa is something like from the Buddhism where they do meditation, some holy object, house, whatever. And yeah, it's super hot, and I don't know, the weather forecast says 90% rain possibility, so let's see. Here you see rice fields in Pokhara. A beautiful view, reminds me totally of Austria. So now we are back on track on the way to the stupa. And yeah, I don't know, no clue about the name of this place. Now we found a shortcut to the stupa. Let's see. The way seems to be interesting. So this would be the way around, I think. There's our target. And now we have to climb up the stairs. So we just made a stop at a viewpoint near the stupa we want to reach. And that's the view. We are living somewhere there, I think, or there. And somewhere here there are the Himalayas, but you cannot see them, unfortunately. Now we are on the way to the stupa. We are now at here. Nippon-san Myojo Ochi. Something, no videos and no TikToks are allowed. Okay. I have to talk silent. There's no video allowed. We had a nice meditation now. But I couldn't make videos because I'm still not allowed to make videos. So now we are checking the way back home, and we should be a bit faster because it's already super hard raining. Our hotel is over there. If we found a shortcut. Or if we have to go back again. We lead through a chicken farm and a farmer's garden. For a field of, I don't know, rice or whatever. Huh? I have no chocolate. Sorry.
Chocolate? Sorry, no. Next time we bring.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So here, in the middle of nowhere, you have suddenly some stairs, which we are using right now.